Hi, welcome back. This is Damithan. So if you're new to the channel, don't forget to leave a like, comment down below, and subscribe. So you guys can tell Tectonic's not doing good right now, okay? You guys can tell every coin is down right now, even Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin even dropped at like 19,000. It's trying to go up to 20,000 again. So every coin is basically down. That's why I'm not putting too much stress on how Tectonic do right now at this moment, because every major coin that we know is actually down. So you guys hear it sounds probably I'm in school right now, but every coin is actually down right now. That's why I'm not actually paying too much attention and stressing too much of Tectonic, okay? So you guys, if you guys already don't know about the new vault system, so Tectonic and if you go to, I think the vault system is in Tectonic platform. You can actually connect your wallet to actually vote, and they actually give you like 12, 24, and take 2 years, and then give you like amount of like I think like around like 36 months or 2 or 3 years. They give you like over 108%, which you guys can actually do. I think that's actually trying to manage the inflation of Tectonic itself. So you guys can tell right now the price of Tectonic at this moment is at 0.0000601399. Okay, my main plan right now, and I'm trying to hope that Tectonic and every other coin will start showing up right now. If Tectonic can actually start reaching out back to, if you guys go back, let me zoom in so you guys can actually see the bigger picture real quick. So let me zoom out real quick. So my bad. I mean that. Let me go back real quick so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So in a year ago, if Tectonic can start going back at around like 0.00094, it doesn't have to go back where you actually started. If you can actually go back at 0. Which is 6, it's gonna be like 60 at least. But if we can go to 0.00000 like 9399, that'll be very great to actually continue growing, okay? And then I like how, like, I don't know if it's me or other video, but I think they be actually listening to what I've been saying, how like the higher inflation, the higher interest rate is actually killing Tectonic and causing inflation. So you guys can tell Kronos itself is not doing good right now. The Kronos is actually struggling right now. If you guys can look at it, Kronos be struggling. I think every crypto is struggling right now at this moment. You guys can tell every crypto is actually struggling at this moment. That's why it doesn't actually matter and see how many stuff grows, okay? So I think if Kronos can go back to original price where it used to be at, I think 24 cents, almost, I think 69 cents, almost 73 cents, 90 cents, okay? I think we can see a correlation if we start seeing, because you guys know Tectonic is on their Kronos network. So if we start seeing Kronos going back to like 90 cents, then we might probably see the correlation of actually Tectonic actually start going up there. So even VVS, which is actually also part of under the same network, you guys can tell it's actually struggling right now. So like I said, you guys actually need to go, if you guys are actually looking for a long term, you guys should actually go do the vote. The vote is actually good for people who are actually looking for a long term and actually try to set in. They're basically trying to set in and not trying to sell at this moment. So I think everyone should actually do it. I think I'm going to put my money in the vote in a pretty like nearby, okay? And every coin is down, even Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin is at the very lowest right now. If you guys can tell, if I go to Bitcoin, so you guys can see real quick. If I go to Bitcoin real quick, Kronos is struggling. If I go to Bitcoin, even Bitcoin is actually trying at BTC. So BTC is at 20,000. It used to be like 19,000. Bitcoin was struggling very hard. It used to be like 19,000, but right now it's up to 20,000. So you guys can tell America is facing recession at this moment. Everybody is like hard now, you know. But Tectonic is pretty doing good at this moment. The market cap and the volume, like the one thing I think we should actually try to emphasize on, and I think the community should actually try to emphasize to get people to actually buy the coin, okay? Because the higher volume that we can actually get on this coin, the higher it basically show an indicator that people should actually invest in it. If we can get this volume back to like 1.2 or 3.2 million volume per day, or 3 to 4 million per day, then we'll probably have a chance to actually get listed to other financial institutions like Binance. I think we should actually try to get a Binance. I think we're in I don't know, you know, but we have to get in Binance, and then I don't know if you guys actually listen to me, but if we can actually get to if we can actually get to the other one, it's called KUCONQ coin, we can actually get listed on that one. We can actually see a significant growth. I think if we actually start like the volume start growing up, and we should try to get listed on other platforms such as Coinbase is going to be hard right now. Okay, Coinbase have a very hard law on restriction when it comes to listing coins. Okay, it's not like other platform. So we in crypto.com. I think swap too. We actually need to get listed on Coinbase, that, and then FTX. Okay, you gotta know FTX is the biggest it's the biggest platform right now in like on trading right now when it comes to trading. And then I think as we continue to grow, as time goes, as we continue to grow, then we might probably see other then we might probably get listed in other stuff like Robinhood. If we get listed on Robinhood, it's going to be very hard, but we get listed on Robinhood or on Coinbase, then Tectonic's about to take off. Okay, you guys can tell I'm just hoping that the price, like right now, every coin is doing bad. That's why I'm not putting too much stuff. But the volume is pretty low right now. The volume is pretty low, but the market cap is very it's rising up there. Okay, the market cap is doing good. I can't lie on the market cap, but think about, we have 500 trillion coins. Okay, I think 500 trillion. That's not even 500 billion. It's 500 trillion. So it might take a lot of volume to actually try to get the price offset. So I think when I first bought this coin, it was around like, it was at zero. It was still pretty low. The price was pretty low. It was at, let me see if I can actually zoom in real quick so you guys can actually see the bigger picture. My bad. I'm in my Chrome right now. So it was at 0.0006789, something like that. I think we lost like 1, 2. We still at 6.0 when it first started. It was at 6.0 when I bought it. I bought it when it was a very high price. So that's why I'm just waiting like probably another 2 or 3 years from now, like the price goes up, because I have over, I think, 1 billion coins that I bought. So I think if the coin can actually go up, I'll be very, very grateful. We'll be very, very grateful for it, you know. And then the one thing that I'm actually saying though, that we should actually need to do is to confirm this market cap. Okay, like we need to confirm it, because it actually shows that it's not verified yet. It just like, you know, like in Instagram when you get your account verified, it kind of show legitness, but we can actually get our account verified. I don't know who's actually working behind the Tectonic team, but we can actually get the price of Tectonic like verified, the volume and all those things, because I know like it's actually listed on the Tectonic how many coins are getting borrowed and stuff like that. But if we can actually get it there to actually be confirmed, I would be very great for that. So that's one thing I'm actually saying that we should actually try it on. So buying more power, more accumulating. Yeah, a lot of people say we just need to buy more. We need more. We need people to buy more. Okay, that's the only way we can get the price up. People can stake, but if we're not able to get people to buy more, the volume is gonna be very low. Even the price is not gonna change anymore, because people are not actually selling, but the volume is gonna be very low. You know, any projection of any coins on the volume. So we need to go on trending. If we can trend on current cap, it's gonna be very great for that. So I hope you guys listen to what I say, man. I hope Tectonic goes to the best of all, and I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to actually leave a like, subscribe. I really appreciate that. See you guys later. Peace out.